Hello everyone and welcome to the very first episode of the serie Psychological Roots. My name is Aya bin Sauran and I am 16 years old. Now, let us dive into today's episode, Temperaments of Personality. First, a personality is the combination of characteristics or qualities that form an individual's distinctive character. It can be defined as a person's particular state of enduring dispositions or long-term tendencies to think, feel, and act in particular ways. The theory of this episode is based on the findings of Claudius Galenus, better known as Galen of Pergamon. Some biographic information. He was a Roman physician, also a surgeon, and a philosopher. He wrote more than 500 books on medicine and believed the best way to learn was through dissecting animals and studying anatomy. Although he discovered many internal organs functions, he mistook others mainly because he treated animals' bodies as they were exactly as those of humans. Galen died when he was at least 70. Now, you might ask, in what ways does his work relate to temperaments? Stay until the end to know. The roots of Humorism, which is a system of medicine adopted by ancient Greek and Romans about the workings of the human body, go back actually to Empedocles, who is a Greek philosopher, and who suggested that different qualities of the four basic elements could explain the existence of all known substances. For instance, those four basic elements are earth, which is cold and dry, air, which is warm and wet, fire, being warm and dry, and finally water, cold and wet. After him came Hippocrates, who developed a model based on these elements, attributing their qualities to four fluids in the body. They were called humors, which is humor in Latin and means body fluid. Later, after 200 years, Galen connected the levels of humors in the body with the temperaments, who stand for emotional and behavioral inclination. He claimed that those temperaments are based on the balance of the humors in our body, so by restoring the balance, we can fix our behavioral and emotional problems. Those four temperaments are sanguine, choleric, phlegmatic, and melancholic. A sanguine person is one with excess in blood, is optimistic, cheerful, confident, but can be selfish. A choleric person has excess in yellow bile, is fiery, energetic, passionate, but can be bossy. A melancholic personality suffers from excess of black bile, is poetic, artistic, but also sad and fearful. And finally, the phlegmatic personality with excess in phlegm is to be calm and quiet, rational and kind, but can be shy. As Galen claimed, although we can be born predisposed to certain temperaments, which might be equivalent to imbalances in humors, they can be cured by exercise and diet, more extremely Persian and bloodletting. Those temperaments were proven to be biologically based, as in 1947, Hans Eysenck noted that neuroticism and extroversion echoed the ancient four temperaments. Humorism and temperaments, as much as they are not used in today's psychology, influenced many modern therapies based on the connections between the mental and physical illnesses. Stay tuned to more on psychological roots by subscribing to the channel. Bye!